Today on Simple Things Around the Shop. Forging Viking knives. We start off the Viking knife with a 1" by 3/16 by 6.5 to 7" piece of steel. Get it hot and hit it over the edge of the anvil about 1/3 of the way back to put in a separation for the blade and the handle. That's that notch that you see there. Forge the profile of your blade here. We're not going for absolute perfection, and we certainly don't want to put in the bevel just yet, but your profile should be close to complete by the time you get done with this step. Now we're going to work down the handle some. We need to actually draw this out or make it longer, but we want a nice even taper from the blade all the way down to the very tail of this thing. We're going to curl it around here in just a minute. You can use the edge of the anvil or the horn to draw it down faster. Always keep your forging clean. We can come back and do some planishing blows here when it's still hot, but it's not red hot anymore. Smooth that out. Do your finish work on here, put in your bevel, and then we're going to move right into curling the tip of the handle over. This is at 90 degrees angle from the edge of the blade. That's where your finger's going to rest eventually once we curl it in, which you see right here. Drive this thing down, curl it around. You want that thing to be a nice even scroll as it's turning around. That just makes it more comfortable in the hand and gives it a nicer appearance. Cool it down in water. We're really not going for hardness here. This is more just to cool it down so I can get it in my hand faster. For grinding, I'm using a 2x72 grinder, but you can use a lot of different means to do this. You can use an angle grinder, you can even use a rasp in order to take that down, or a hand file. The wire brush on the drill is a great tool to have around the shop, and this is a great use for it. You can actually take forge scale off and clean that up so it's more comfortable in the hand and it looks nice. Sharpen using a whetstone or sandpaper. For more simple things around the shop, click the subscribe button and check out our other content. Simple Things Around the Shop. Shop tips without the fluff.